Same sound Parang cartoon sa umaga, no? Uy, teleport si mom. So ito yung mom natin. Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Okay, so late yung nanay niyo umalis nagtatrabaho. Can you have some sympathy for me? Kung ano, baka papunta yung nanay mo, huwag mo pagutin lalo. But today is my birthday. Birthday pala natin. Oh, of course, I know that. Then, where is my gift? Gift agad Ako, mapagulo yung nanay niya. Walang regalo. Naku, baka kasi wala pang sahod. Have you ever heard of Mr.